We're going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol MOMO. Tongue twister here for a second.
Mhm.
MOMO. I kept thinking of momentum every time I seen it. And guess what? That is sure going to be playing here with this stock. A lot of momentum here. You guys are up 9.93%. The first thing that I've noticed when I looked at the stock, obviously, is going to be these gaps down here. And obviously the huge volume. Hopefully Joe's going to be able to let us know what's going on. I'm assuming something with the earnings because we see the earnings tag down there, down at the bottom. So I want to point out though there is a gap. There is a few gaps at 30.80 and $30, and then from $30 all the way down to the 20-day simple moving average, which would put you about 26.58 right there in that area. I would keep an eye on that. This is going to be a momentum play, really, literally momentum play. I'm going to mark down the gaps. It just depends on the buying. If the buying's there, I mean, you could look at the 30-minute charts, 15-minute charts. We'll take a look at the 5-minute charts. So yeah, you're starting to see it go sideways here a lot from off this level. On the 5-minute chart, you guys had a nice rally up here, the 32.92, but it just went sideways here between the 32.19 and the 32.86. It's starting to go, really sideways right now through the 5-minute chart. But there's still that gap. You can see that gap right here.
All right, so they had a press release yesterday as Momo announces unaudited financial results for the fourth quarter and fiscal year 2016. So they're out of Beijing, March 7th, 2017. Momo Incorporated, they're traded on NASDAQ, the ticker symbol MOMO. They're a leading mobile social network and platform in China, and now yesterday announced its unaudited financial results for the fourth quarter and full year ended December 31st, 2016. So fourth quarter 2016 highlights. Net revenues increased 524% year over year to 246 million. Net income attributed to Momo Incorporated increased to 83.8 million in the fourth quarter of 2016 from 6.1 million in the same period last year. Non-GAAP net income attributed to Momo Incorporated increased 674% to 91.5 million in the fourth quarter of 2016 from 11.8 million in the same period last year. Diluted net income per American depository share was 4.41 compared to 0.03 in the same period last year. Non-GAAP diluted net income per ADS was 0.44, so 44 cents compared to 6 cents in the same period last year. Monthly active users were 81.1 million in December 2016 compared to 69.8 million in December 2015. So the MAU during a given calendar month is defined as Momo users who access the Momo platform through Momo mobile application and utilize any of the functions on the Momo platform for at least one day during the 30-day period counting back from the last day of such calendar month. Active users on Hanai, the company's standalone live video application, were not included in the MAU disclosed herein. All right, so the full year highlights. Net revenues increased 313% year over year to 553 million for the full year of 2016. Net income attributed to Momo was 145 million for the full year of 2016 compared to 13.7 million in 2015. Non-GAAP was attributed to Momo Incorporated was 177 million for the full year of 2016 compared to 31.1 million in 2015. It's basically, it's right across the back right here. They're just basically saying, let me just go right to the CEO's statement. The fourth quarter of 2016 was a milestone quarter for our team, capping off a great year of 2016, commented Yang Tang, chairman and CEO of Momo. Our total revenues and net income continue to hit record highs. More importantly, I'm happy to see that after 4 consecutive quarters of steady rebound, our MAU has already exceeded its historical peak level back in early 2015. In addition to the growth in the user scale, 2016 was also a year where we saw meaningful movements in user engagement. All of these shows that by optimizing the existing social experience and introducing new social and entertainment use cases, Momo is on the right track to become a larger and stronger community for users to socialize and have fun. So I mean, there's more on the financial results, the net revenues and everything else, going into more details, and then their costs and expenses and everything. So if you're interested in researching more on this company, go right over to the MOMO board there on Investors Hangout. From there, you can pull up this latest press release from March 7th. You'll pull that up, you'll see that, and you can basically read through it. It's pretty extensive. And as always, you can go right into their filings as well to do more research on them. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using Investors Hangout daily by posting over there on that message board.
All right, with the chart, like I said, 32.97 was the resistance. Can keep going with buying. Gaps at 32.72 and 30. 29.46, 27.32. Support at 30.24, 27.76, 26.91. Resistance at 33.12. You guys just plowed through that right now. I looked at the gaps. There's not much trading at all between that level. Yeah, there is actually a little bit right here. So yeah, it's still a gap, but like I said, it's hard to say. I mean, it's a small thing when you're looking at, especially with the history. It could keep going on momentum. So definitely check out stuff like Joe just went over. Again, everything that he just said right here on investorshangout.com. If you follow the stock, feel that this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button to stay up to date with the hottest stocks in the market. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.